Hello everyone, welcome to Football Updates. Friends, a new era has just begun for Newcastle United, as the club is now owned by the Saudi Public Investment Fund, who has a net worth of whopping 434 billion euros. With that, they have enough amount of funds to sign any player that they like. As the richest club in the world, Newcastle fans will surely hope that they can now achieve the same platforms like other several English clubs. They have now enough resources to build a team that could win every possible trophy. In recent history, we have seen few clubs that became more successful after they were taken over by some richest owners. Some major examples are Manchester City, PSG and Chelsea, but it also took them years to reach such heights. But the case in Newcastle is more interesting than these clubs, as their owner is way more richer than the others. So now the question arises that, how will they build up a team and what transition could take place in the club of Newcastle? The British media house The Telegraph reported that the club have £190 million to spend this winter, keeping all the fair play rules in mind. Hence it is clear that Magpies could not sign high-profile signings like Haaland and Mbappe together. So here is our top 5 picks, who could join the club in the next transfer window. Donny van de Beek. The 24-year-old Dutch midfielder currently plays with Manchester United and is not given enough chances. He would surely like to leave the Red Devils in the next transfer window. Newcastle United could possibly offer the Dutch midfielder a route out of Old Trafford. Lautaro Martinez. The 24-year-old Argentine striker is considered as one of the finest strikers in Europe. His future at Inter is still not clear, as he is yet to put pen to paper on a new contract with the San Siro club. Martinez has previously been linked with the likes of Barcelona and Manchester City, and he could probably be a future asset for the Newcastle club. Aaron Ramsey. The 30-year-old Welsh midfielder currently plays for Italian side Juventus, and hardly gets any playing time. He has recently been linked with a return to the Premier League. Newcastle would be a potential destination for him. Ramsey would give Newcastle attacking thrust through the centre of the pitch. He has already proven in the English top flight while playing for Arsenal a few years back. Juventus would also like to sell the Welsh, as they need to improve their financial condition. Ousmane Dembele. The 24-year-old French forward was signed as a replacement for Neymar, but he hasn't done something great for the club, as he is mostly sidelined due to injuries. The Frenchman has shown some great promising performance and is believed as a world-class winger. But his regular injuries are the major problem for Barca. Barcelona is struggling financially a lot, so they would like to cash in the player before his contract ends next season. Philippe Coutinho. The 29-year-old Brazilian midfielder is struggling since joining the Catalan club to find the form that once made him one of the most exciting players in Europe. This could be the marquee signing Newcastle United could make this January. Barcelona would be keen to sell Coutinho to the Newcastle club due to their struggling financial conditions. The Premier League is also where the Brazilian has previously played his best football. Well, Coutinho recently stated that he would not consider any move out of Barcelona soon and will fight to give his best for Barcelona shirt. This January transfer window is going to be exciting, as all eyes will be on the Newcastle United. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.